Hi, first let's look at this video.
iOrganic Farm fresh cow milk, pure, natural, and straight from the farm. Packed with nutrients, free from preservatives.
So in this video, the model is also AI. The script is also written by AI and the shooting is also done by AI. I just uploaded my product image and within few minutes the AI did everything and just gave me this kind of video.
It's so cool.
So if you also want to showcase your product in the same way, then I have brought an awesome AI tool called TopView AI. And let's see using this tool how you can also generate videos for your product. Visit the tool's website and log in using your Google account. Once inside, you will see the dashboard where you get 10 free credits upon signing up. The tool offers several AI-powered features such as avatar marketing videos, video avatar, product avatar, photo avatar, AI image creation, voice generation, and upcoming new feature real-time chat avatar. So let's focus on product avatar. So to generate a product avatar, select the product avatar option. You can either choose from available avatars or create a custom one by selecting a gender, age, ethnicity, and other attributes. After selecting an avatar, click on replace it with my product image to upload your product. The AI will automatically remove the background and allow you to adjust the product's position. If needed, you can erase the unwanted element or replace the image. Once the adjustments are done, confirm the product position and wait for AI to process the placement. Then select your preferred product avatar, regenerate it if needed, and finally convert it into video by clicking image to video. Your AI generated promotional video will be ready in few minutes. And if you want to add your own script, select use my script, choose the generated video, enter your text in the text to audio box or upload your own audio and then click generate. Select the video quality and export the final version.
iOrganic Farm fresh cow milk, pure, natural, and straight from the farm. Packed with nutrients, free from preservatives.
If you found my videos helpful, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.